Everyone, welcome back to today's video. And today the goal is to get the diffuser on the Evolution. I'm at Rona because I need to pick up some clamps.
Yeah, I do it all. Clamping, crimping, occasional snipping.
I recently purchased a metal bender because I'm going to be making the brackets for the diffuser. This will be the first time that I've ever done something like this. A little bit of fabrication, but I think that it'll go all right, and we'll just try to make an attempt to get this diffuser on. I've had it for like 2 years, so I think it's time to attempt to install it. And I managed to get the clamps.
Yeesh, that guy can bite my shiny metal clamps.
And this is right here. Sorry about all the mess, but this guy right here is the metal brake slash metal bender. I picked it up from Princess Auto, which is like a hardware shop in Canada. I'm not sure if it's in America, but it's here in Canada, and I picked it up. Actually, it was on sale. It's a pretty good price. But I have a couple test pieces of metal here that I'm just gonna try out, and maybe I can give you a demo of how it works. Just give me a second. All right, so I have a test piece of metal. It's just some scrap metal that I have lying around. And the way it works is you have this, or at least the way I understand that it works is you have this big slab of steel, and you put the metal that you want to bend in the metal bender. You slide the steel down, you run it along, I guess, the line, because this is going to bend up, right? And you find where you want to bend it. Then you take the clamps here, you slide it on, you tighten the clamps on each side, and then I haven't even fully installed this thing yet, but then these arms go into the holes that are in the ends of the metal brake bolt pieces. This is also supposed to be bolted to a table. I haven't gotten that far because I'm just excited to get this diffuser on. Anyways, I think I can kind of give you an idea how it works. And then this has to be really tight. And then you should be able to bend it, which didn't do a really good job, but this is just a demo of how it works. It wasn't a good demo, but more or less, like, you get the idea. It's like bent. You guys seen the diffuser already. This diffuser is a Carbon Creations rep of the Varus diffuser. It's probably one of the most popular diffusers for the Evolution there is. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I had it for about 2 years, and I kind of want to put it on the car. I know a lot of times it doesn't work out because, I mean, you know, people may have spats, things like that on their car, but mine is pretty OEM, and I feel like the back of my car is lacking like some aggressiveness, so I think this is gonna definitely improve on that. All right, so I just finished bending the brackets for the rear stabilizer bar location, and as you guys can see, they're almost identical. Not bad for my first time. Yeah, I'm just gonna drill the holes for the bolts, and then we'll get the rear part of the bracket on, and then we can work on the front side, depending on how you look at it. It's all at the back, but you know what I mean. Hi everyone, so I was able to get the diffuser on, and here I'll just give you a quick peek. I was able to do all that off camera. I did manage to get a lot of it buttoned up. I still have a couple brackets that still need to be installed, and I'll kind of just give you a quick walk around of what I did accomplish, and I'll show you what part of it that I still need to finish up on. But overall it came out really well, and yeah, so here. All right, so what are some of the things that I need to finish up on? All right, well, here, let me show you. So on the forums, I believe there's a bracket that goes from here to here, and one that goes from here to here. I'll make those a little later. A couple hardware bits that I didn't install was there's supposed to be a bolt that goes from here inside, and then also one that goes from here to here, sandwiching these two pieces. Other than that, it's pretty complete. In terms of fitment, it's not half bad either. Like I said, once I get the brackets, I'll be able to fit this up tighter. But in terms of like fitment from here to here, it's pretty identical. Once again, it being a Carbon Creations diffuser, you can't, although the quality is really good, you can't like really expect like the world, right? It's not like an authentic Varus diffuser. Like I said, when you buy this diffuser, you do have to either source the brackets yourself or make them yourself. That's the route that I chose. It's not too bad. You need a metal bender and a drill, some drill bits, and some patience, and you can do it. I thought that my Evo was lacking a little bit of aggression, and I think I'm correct in wanting to get the diffuser. It drops the rear body line, or it drops the diffuser down a bit, makes it a little more aggressive. As you can see, like it now, it's even. You can kind of see that it like just comes together a little bit better. A couple of the things that I do want to do, mods that I want to do, is I want to do a front splitter, and I want to do some side skirt extensions. and also maybe a canard, a single canard, just to complete the exterior. I encourage you guys to work on your cars and give it a shot. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and comment on what you thought of the build and diffuser, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.
One of those new clamps gonna get here. These are all rusted out with snitch juice.